Hi everyone, welcome to MindMax Academy. In this video, we'll continue with the chapter Coordinate Geometry, which is chapter 7 from your 10th standard CBSE Mathematics. We'll start with the next section, which is called as Area of a Triangle. Area of a Triangle in page number 168 in your textbook. So now, if you see this triangle ABC, ABC is a triangle in which we know the three vertices of a triangle. If three vertices of a triangle are given, then the area of the triangle is given by this formula, that is equal to half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is a formula which we can use to find the area of a triangle when three vertices of the triangle are given. When three vertices of the triangle are given, then we can use this formula to find the area of the triangle. And again, when we use the formula, we will get an answer. Whatever answer we get, we have to take the absolute value of this answer. Meaning, suppose if you get the answer as 10, the area is 10 square units. Suppose if you get the answer as minus 12, because we can get negative also. If you get minus 12, then we have to ignore the negative sign and we have to take only the absolute value, which is 12 square units. Fine. So we'll do some problems on this, on how to find the area of a triangle when three vertices are given. So I am at example 11 in your textbook. Example 11, it says that find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Right? So there is a triangle. Say ABC is a triangle A. Its vertices is 1, minus 1, and then B. This is B, which is minus 4, 6. Then C, which is minus 3, minus 5. So the three vertices of the triangle ABC are given, and we need to find the area of this triangle. And we know the area of the triangle formula. Area of triangle ABC, when we know three vertices, that is given by this formula. That is what area of the triangle is equal to half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Right? Now we need to substitute these vertices here. We'll call this as x1 y1 and we'll call this as x2 y2. We'll call this as x3 y3. x3 y3. Now we need to substitute in this formula. So say that the triangle ABC equal to half of x1. x1 is 1 into y2. y2 is 6 minus y3. y3 is minus 5. This is y3. So minus of minus 5. So you have to be careful here. Right? y2 is 6 minus y3. y3 is minus 5. So minus of minus 5. So double minus, you have to be careful. Plus x2. x2 is this minus 4 into y3. y3 is minus 5 minus y1. y1 is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus x3. x3 is minus 3 into y1. y1 is minus 1 minus y2. y2 is 6. Right? So what we have done, we have substituted x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in this formula. Just need to substitute and then simplify. So you get 1 by 2 of 1 into 6 plus 5. So this becomes 6 plus 5. Minus into minus plus 5. So 6 plus 5 into 1 is 6 plus 5. Then plus into minus is minus. 4 into minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. This is minus 5. This is minus and minus plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus into plus is minus. 3 into minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. So that is equal to 1 by 2 of 6 plus 5 is 11. I could have here itself written this 11. 6 minus into minus is plus. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11, this is minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. Minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21. So if you add all of them, what do we get? So 21, 32, 48. So 1 by 2 of 48. So that is equal to 24 square units. So that is the area of the triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. So that is the answer. So you have found the area of this triangle. Okay, so all of you can pause the video and take the notes. We'll go to the next problem, example 12. Example 12 is again the three vertices are given. If the area of the triangle, find the area of the triangle formed by the points A of 5, 2, B of 4, 7 and C of 7, minus 4. So A is given as point A. So point A is given as, next problem, example 12, 5, 2 and B is given as 4, 7 and C is given as 7, minus 4. Now we need to find the area of this triangle where three vertices are given. 5, 2, 4, 7, 7, minus 4. Again, area of the triangle is formula is this. Now we need to substitute. We need to substitute the values. So which means that is equal to 1 by 2 of x1. x1 is 5 into y2 minus y3. y2 is this. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. Right? So we need to substitute these values in the formula to find the area of the triangle. So x1 is 5 into y2. y2 is 7 minus y3. y3 is minus 4 plus x2. x2 is 4 into y3. y3 is minus 4 minus y1. y1 is 2 plus x3. x3 is 7 into y1. y1 is 2 minus y2. y2 is 7. y2 is 7. We just substituted. So you get 1 by 2 of 5 into 7 minus into minus plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 plus 7 into 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Now if you simplify this, you get 1 by 2 of 5 into 11 is 55 minus 24 minus 35. Minus 24 minus 35. So what do we get? If you subtract them, you get 24 minus 39. 35 is 49. Right? 59. So 55 minus 59 is minus 4. And if you cancel, you get minus 2. 2 and 4. If you cancel, you get minus 2. Right? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. You can cancel 2 and 4. It will become minus 2. But area of the triangle cannot be negative. Area of the triangle cannot be negative. So therefore, we will say area of the triangle equal to area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 square units. We will not take the minus sign. We will take only the absolute value because area cannot be negative. So the answer is 2 square units. Fine. Okay. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I'll go to the next one, which is example 13. Similarly, same way, example 13, which is, so again three vertices are given. So what is A or PQR? This is called as now PQR. This is P, this is Q, this is R. And P is given as minus 1.5, 3. And Q is 6, 2, minus 2. Sorry. Then R is minus 3, minus 4. Minus 3, minus 4. Okay? Now we need to find the area of this triangle. So again we will substitute in this formula. Formula is 1 by 2 of, all these can be erased. We need to substitute the values. So that is equal to 1 by 2 of, so this is your x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let's substitute the values now. What do we get? x1 is minus 1.5 into y2. y2 is minus 2, y3 is 4. y3 is 4 minus y3, which is 4, plus x2 is 6. x2 is 6 into y3 is 4 minus y1 is 3, plus x3 is minus 3 into y1. y1 is 3 minus y2 is minus 2. So 3 minus minus 2. Right? y1 is 3 minus minus y2. y2 is minus 2. So what do we get? We get 1 by 2 of minus 1.5 into 2 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 plus 6 into 4 minus 3 is 1 minus 3 into plus into minus is minus 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5. Now if you simplify this 1 by 2 of now 1.5 into 6 minus into minus is plus 1.5 into 6 is 9 plus 6 minus 15. Fine. So finally what we get? We get 1 by 2 into this is 15 minus 15 is 0. So you get 0. So which means what? The area of the triangle is 0. If the area of the triangle is 0, then the triangle is not like this, the PQR, sorry. This is the area of triangle PQR. If you want the area of the triangle PQR, we are getting the area of the triangle as 0. Area of the triangle as 0, which means what? Which means they are not like this. The 3 points are collinear, which means your PQR are something like this. PQR. They all the 3 are in a straight line. This is R, this is Q. They are something like this, which means you cannot form a triangle using these 3 vertices. So the given vertices, which means the 3 points are collinear, because area of the triangle is 0. The moment area of the triangle is 0, then your PQR cannot be like this, cannot be like a triangle, it can be only like this. So which means we will say that since area of the triangle, area of triangle PQR equal to 0, therefore the points P, Q and R are collinear points, which means they lie on the same line. Collinear points, or you can say they are collinear. They are collinear, which means they cannot be like this. It cannot be P cannot be here, Q cannot be here, R cannot be here. It should be like this. The order may change, but they all 3 lie in the same line. Only then you will get the area of the triangle as 0. Sometimes they will ask you to check whether the given 3 points are collinear. They will give you 3 points and they will ask you to check whether it is collinear. In that case, you find the area of the triangle for the 3 points, and if the area of the triangle is 0, then the points are collinear. If the area of the triangle is not 0, then the points are not collinear. Fine. Collinear means all the 3 points lie on the same line. Lie on the same line. So all of you can pause the video, take the notes. Go to the next one, which is example 14. So next one is example 14. Example 14, what it says is, so we have to find the value of k if the points A, B, C are collinear. So there are 3 points that are given. So what is given is, point A is 2, 3. Point B is 4, k. And point C is 6, minus 3. Now given that these 3 points are collinear, that is given. We have to find the value of k. So this is given. And also they said A, B and C are collinear. And what we should find? To find this value of k. What is the value of k? This k. So that these 3 points are collinear. So that these 3 points are collinear. Now solution is, we say since A, B and C are collinear, the points are collinear, therefore the area of the triangle ABC equal to 0. Therefore area of triangle ABC will be equal to 0 because they are collinear. It is given. Because they are collinear, therefore the area of the triangle must be equal to 0. So now let's know what is the area of the triangle formula. Formula is 1 by 2 of x1. So we can also write this formula in a very easy way. What we can do is we can put x, y minus y, then plus x, y minus y, plus x, y minus y. I'm just telling you how to write this this formula easily. Then you put x1, 1, then put 2, put 3. x1, x2, x3. Then if it is 1, next number is 2, we have to put. After 2, it is 3. Then now 2. After 2, it is 3. After 3, we have to go back to 1. Then 3. After 3, 3 is the end. After 3, we have to go back to 1. After 1, it is 2. So you get this formula. This is area of the triangle when 3 vertices are given. So that is area of the triangle. This is the area of the triangle. And this is equal to 0. Because they have said the points are collinear. It's given that they are collinear. So we can take the area of that triangle as 0. And then we will find the value of k. Now let's substitute here. Now this 1 by 2 goes to this side. It will become 0. 1 by 2 can be taken to this side. Or we can keep it here. Later also we can throw it. x1. x1 is, so this is x1, y1. x2, y2. x3, y3. Now x1 is 2 into y2 minus y1. y2 is k minus y3. Sorry, y2 minus y3. K minus of minus 3. Plus x2. x2 is 4. x2 is 4 into y3. y3 is minus 3 minus x1. Oh, sorry, y1. y1 is 3. Plus x3. x3 is 6 into y1. y1 is 3 minus y2. y2 is k. Close this bracket. Sorry. Equal to 0. That is equal to 1 by 2 of, this is 2 into k plus 3. Right? Then plus, so it becomes minus. Okay, I'll put plus. Minus 3 is minus 6. Plus 6 into 3 minus k. Equal to 0. Now let's multiply. So 1 by 2 of 2 into k, 2k, plus 2 3s are 6, minus 4 6 are 24, plus 6 times 3 is 18, minus 6k equal to 0. Right? Now what do we get? Now we get 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. 1 by 2 of, this is 24, and 26 plus 18 is 24, minus 24 is 0, equal to 0. So which means 1 by 2 of minus 4k equal to 0. Because minus 4k plus 0 is minus 4k. Therefore you get minus 4k equal to, this 2 will go here. It becomes 0 into 2. Fine. So you get minus 4k equal to 0, which means k is equal to 0 by minus 4, which means k equal to 0. So what is the value of k? The value of k should be 0. So only then the area of this triangle will become 0. So therefore the value of k is 0. K equal to 0 is the answer. Fine. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I'll go to the next one, which is example 15. Example 15. Is this. I'll also erase these. Example 15 is, example 15 is, what is given? What is given is A, B, C, D are vertices of a quadrilateral. We have to find the area of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Right? So which means, say suppose it's given like this. Suppose there is a quadrilateral. Right? It's a quadrilateral where this is A. Suppose we take this B, C and D. And point A is minus 5, 7. And B is minus 4, minus 5. And C is minus 1, minus 6. And D is 4, 5. D is 4, 5. That's how the vertices of a quadrilateral is given. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. This is given. What we need to find? To find this area of quadrilateral. What is the area of the quadrilateral? ABCD. And find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Now, to find the area of the quadrilateral, we can divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. So, if by joining any one of the diagonals, probably we can join this B and D. Now, we must find the area of this triangle ABD plus area of the triangle BCD. Find this triangle. Area of this triangle plus area of this triangle will give you the area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. So we'll say solution is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to what? Is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. We'll find the area of the triangle ABD and BCD, and then we will add them. We'll get the area of triangle. Sorry, we'll get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Now let's find what is the area of the triangle. So area of triangle ABD, that is equal to, again we know the formula, half of x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. This is the right. So we should put x1, 2 and 3, then 1. So after 1 it is 2, then after 2 it is 3, then 2, after 2 it is 1, sorry, after 2 it is 3, after 3 it is 1, then after 3 it is 1, after 1 it is 2. So this is the area of the triangle, right? Now we'll take these three as, so we'll take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, this as x3, y3. Now let's substitute in this formula. So we get that is equal to 1 by 2 of x1, x1 is minus 5 into y2, y2 is minus 5 minus y3, y3 is this. So we are finding the area of this triangle. So minus 5 plus x2, x2 is minus 4 into y3, y3 is minus 6 minus y1 is minus 7 plus x3, x3 is minus 1, sorry, 4, sorry, x3 is, sorry, 1 second, it's not right, x2 is this one, minus 4 into y3, y3 is 5, not this, 5, y3 is 5 minus y1, y1 is 7, right, y1 is 7 plus x3, x3 is 4 into y1, y1 is 7 minus y2, y2 is minus of minus 5. Close this. Fine. Now, if you simplify 1 by 2 of minus 5 into minus 5 is minus 10. Then this is minus 4 into 5 minus 7 is minus 2 plus 4 into 7 plus 5 is 12. So that is equal to 1 by 2 of 5 minus into minus plus 5 tens are 50 plus 8 plus 48. 50 plus 8 plus 48, 1 by 2 of, that is equal to 1 by 2 of, if you add them, this is 48 plus 8 is 56 plus 50 is 106. So if you cancel, you get 53. So that is equal to 53. The area of triangle ABD is equal to 53. So area of triangle ABD is equal to 53 square units. Now we should find the area of, this is square units. Now we should find the area of BCD triangle. So what is the area of triangle BCD? Area of triangle, we have to find this. We found this, which is 53. We need to find this. The area of triangle BCD is equal to, again we should substitute the formula, half of x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Fine. Now we'll put 1, 2 here, x2, x3, then after 1 it is 2, after 2 it is 3, then this is 2, after 2 it is 3, after 3 it is 1, then this is 3, after 3 we go back to 1, after 1 it is 2. I have to close this bracket. Right, now we'll substitute in this. So 1 by 2 of, now we'll take them. Now we'll take the new x1, y1. So I'll erase this, and erase this. So we'll call this as x1. We are going to find the area of this triangle. So this is x1, y1, and this we'll call it as x2, y2. This is x3, y3. You can take anything as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. It doesn't matter. The order of the points doesn't matter. So x1, there is 1 by 2 of x1. x1 is minus 4 into y2. y2 is minus 6 minus y3. y3 is 5. plus x2. x2 is minus 1 into y3. y3 is 5 minus y1. y1 is minus 5. So minus of minus 5 plus x3. x3 is 4 into y1. y1 is minus 5. Then y2 is minus 6. So that is equal to 1 by 2 of minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11. Minus plus into minus is minus 1. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 4 into minus 5 plus 6. 4 into minus 5 is minus into minus plus 6. Minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 of the 4 11s are 44 minus 10 plus 4. Right? So what do we get? If we get 1 by 2 of 34, 34 plus 4 is 38. That is equal to 19 square units. 19 square units. That is the area of the triangle BCD. Now let's find area of the quadrilateral. So area of the quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is equal to area of triangle ABD, that is 53 plus area of triangle BCD, and area of triangle BCD is this value 19. So 19. If you add them, 12, 2 carry 1, 7, 72 square units. That is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So we have found the area of the quadrilateral, which is 72 square units. Fine. So all of you can pause this video and take the notes. I will stop the session here. You can watch my next session for the continuation of this. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video.